Good morning. It is the Tuesday before Christmas, and I am trying to get all of my errands done today so I don't have to leave the house again until after Christmas. I told you in my Trader Joe's video that we are doing a sandwich bar for our Christmas lunch, and so we're keeping it really simple, just trying to not do too much cooking. Easy, relaxing day is what the goal is. So I'm going to get most of my stuff for the sandwich bar here at Costco. Cold cuts, salami, sliced cheese, some bread. Of course, I will be making some egg bread, like some buns. And then, of course, all of the veggies and other sandwich fixings that we need, we're going to get here. I'm also just going to stock up on the few other things that we need just for regular living in the house. I got here at 9:30 thinking we would sit in the car and wait and be one of the first ones in the door, but I think they opened early, which sometimes they do that around the holidays, so maybe they opened like at 9:30 already, but the parking lot is already jam-packed, so hopefully it won't be too difficult to get in and out, and hopefully we won't get trampled too badly. I have Charity.
Right.
The sun is shining, which is very nice because it's been so rainy the last few days. But Charity is my helper today. She's gonna help me get in and out in the Christmas rush and get everything that we need for our Christmas lunch. I've got my list. Are you gonna check off my stuff on my list?
Yeah.
Avocados for the sandwiches. Hopefully these will ripen by Christmas. Charity's been making baked potatoes recently, which she loves. She learned how to make them in the Instant Pot all by herself. And that means we need to get more bacon bits because she's been eating bacon bits on her baked potatoes.
With cheese.
With cheese.
Can't forget the cheese.
Yeah. And I get a few more bananas. Can't go to Costco without getting a few bananas. I don't think so. I don't think I actually put it on the list. I don't think I put it on the list. It's just something we always get. Don't have to put it on the list.
Is there a carrot
We need to get tomatoes for the sandwiches.
Are there carrots in the list?
The carrots are at the bottom. And lettuce. We decided to splurge for a watermelon for Christmas to go with the sandwiches. This salami was really good, so we'll get some of that for the sandwiches. Look at these, Charity.
Whoa.
That's amazing. All kinds of fancy desserts. We wanted to get some of our favorite almond flour crackers for our Christmas spread. The price has gone up on these. All right, let's see what sliced cheese they have over here for sandwiches. Colby Jack, Monterey Jack. I think I'll get a sharp. And there was another variety pack over there of a different brand. I think I'm going to grab that because it had like Swiss and a few different ones. There's Havarti, but that's not everybody's favorite. So I think I'll just go get the other one and that will be enough. Salsa. Pastrami for the sandwiches. How about some herb roasted turkey breast? That looks pretty good. All right, so we got pastrami, which is beef, and then we got turkey. I think we should get ham also.
Ham here.
Oh yeah, here's uncured Black Forest ham. There we go.
List?
Huh?
Do you need a list?
Nope, not yet.
Sourdough and butter.
So, and then we got salami and pepperoni, so I think we're good on meat. Ooh, they have our Amy Lou breakfast sausages. Oh, these are not the Sugar House ones, they're the ones. Let's see, they're paleo. No sugar. All right, we're gonna get a couple of those. Ooh, the price has gone down too. What, Charity? Yeah, and sausage patties. I'm gonna get another one to throw in the freezer. There we go. Ooh, look at that, they have a 0 sugar bacon option. That's cool. $5.23 per pound. Oh, Levi loves these little smoky hot dogs. We're gonna get some more of these. Well, let's get one of these. These are pretty for our white bread option. And then let's see what buns they have. And then we don't like getting brioche because they have eggs and Levi can't eat eggs. Let's just do these pub buns. I think if we get that and buns and, let's see, that and the buns and the egg white bread, I think that'll be plenty.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese. Oh yeah, it's right over here. Thank you. Bacon crumbles are not refrigerated.
They might refrigerate them all the time.
You refrigerate them after you open them. Oh, that's interesting. It's a keto-friendly yogurt, Greek yogurt. 50% less sugar. I wonder if it's low fat though. Oftentimes they do. They make these 0 fat ones. Oh no, this one's good. It's got 14 grams of fat. That's a good amount of fat. Let's see. It does have cane sugar in it still. But then it just has less cane sugar, I guess. 10 grams of sugar per serving. I don't know if I would call that keto friendly though. Let's see. Grab a couple of those. Gotta get some more ghee. It's at the bottom of the list. So I know that it looks like we get tons and tons of processed meats here, which is actually true. I get my fresh meat other places. I find this is not the cheapest place to get fresh meat. I shop sales at other stores, so we don't eat this much processed meat proportionally to fresh meat. I just tend to get all of my processed meat at Costco. I guess we'll go ahead and get this for the sandwich bar. I could make it myself, but we're all about easy this Christmas. So how much do you think the total will come to?
100 something. 100.
Oh, I think it'll be way more than that. But make your guess.
200.
200. Okay. I think it's going to be more than that. We got a lot of expensive stuff.
You're going to shop all the time.
Well, I know that. I'm not saying it's bad. It's just
300.
what it is. 300? Okay. We'll go with 300.
$7.99. $12.99. $12.99. $12.99.
Unfortunately, I'm not like but as for
So my haul is all of this plus what's over here on the table. I'll start over here. I got a couple kinds of breads for the sandwiches on Christmas. 3 packs of the Amy Lou Paleo Chicken breakfast sausages. These ones have absolutely 0 sugar. We like the Sugar House maple ones that have just a little bit of sugar, but these are good as well. And the no sugar is a bonus. I got a pack of the Italian dry salami. I got this last time I was at Costco and it was actually really good despite being reduced sodium. So got a pack of that for the sandwiches at Christmas. Got some of the little Smokies. Levi's been loving these for his meals. These almond flour crackers are really yummy and we don't buy them very often because they are pretty expensive. But for Christmas, for the spread, I got 2 boxes of the almond flour crackers, 1 big bag of potatoes. The kids are still on a potato kick. They make them into French fries in the air fryer or they will cook them in the Instant Pot for like baked potatoes. Absolutely love those. stocked up on our breakfast sausage patties that I use for my husband's breakfast sandwiches in the morning. Moving over here, I got a big box of kombucha for my husband. I was thinking I would wrap this up and it could be his Christmas present or one of his Christmas presents because he really loves that. Got 2 bunches of bananas, big thing of tomatoes for slicing for the sandwich bar, pack of bell peppers. We'll probably have like a veggie tray along with the sandwich bar. So got peppers for that. Same thing for the carrots, and we always need carrots on hand here, as well as cucumbers. So that'll make a nice little veggie tray there. We have tortilla chips, and so I got some salsa to have chips and salsa with the Christmas lunch. Bunch of avocados. I'm really hoping that these ripen up in, let's see, we have 4 days. Yeah, 4 days till Christmas. So hopefully we'll at least have 1 or 2 of these ripe by Christmas. Got some lettuce, also for the sandwiches. Decided to splurge on a big watermelon. I was surprised to see they had watermelons right now, but they did, and the kids love watermelon. So for Christmas, we will have watermelon with our sandwiches. Got 2 packs of cheese, sharp cheddar, and then this one looked good. It has 4 different kinds, so I thought that would give a good variety for everybody for their sandwiches. Also a variety of meats. Herb roasted turkey breast, pastrami, and Black Forest ham. I knew I was missing some things, and I found another bag here that got forgotten about. So I grabbed a pair of these, let's see, Skechers, I think, pants. I have another pair that were large, and they were getting a little big, but I really liked them. So I got a medium. They were only $12.97, which just seems like a really good price. Charity didn't have a gift for Autumn yet, so she grabbed this cheetah print, I think it's cheetah, she would know, cheetah print shirt for Autumn. We thought that would be really fun for her. Then we got 2 bags of the bacon crumbles. The kids have been using this on their baked potatoes, so we needed to stock up on that. Got a big thing of ghee. I like that they have organic grass-fed ghee at Costco. Giant bottle, should last us a while. I picked up some avocado oil mayo. I can totally make avocado oil mayo myself, but I decided just to keep it easy and go ahead and grab this. And for this giant bottle, it was like $8.50 or something. And as far as avocado oil mayo goes, that's a really good price. And the last thing in here is cheese sticks for the kids because they totally live on these. I'd say Charity had a pretty good guess of 300. It was $351.51 in all. Thanks so much for shopping with us at Costco today. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are doing for your Christmas dinner. If you celebrate Christmas, I would love to hear about that. I hope you guys are all doing well and are not too stressed out in this time right before the holiday. And I will see you again real soon in another video.